ngayon, how did you take the risk nga? Di ba sabi mo yung mga pinalitan, hindi pinalitan, pero you had retweet or nag-ad-lib kayo in some. How would you balance it sa expectation ng mga fans namin?
Nag-stick to talaga kami sa mga eksena, lalo na sa mga lines na nasa. Pero kasi knowing directly, hindi pwede na yun lang. Pero talaga siyang i-add na mas magiging colorful pa, mas magiging funny, yung mga simpleng eksena na wala naman talaga sa book. May mga nilagay din siya para mas extra funny yung mga eksena.
Yeah, it's our job to give life to the book. And at the same time, may iniba kami, pero we're so confident na parang it's going to be even better. Kaya
Wait, so bakit mo tinawag na wife material si Ren? Yes.
so supportive na siya as a person. And walang ka-air, very hard. So kung pala, makikita mo yung values na sa so,
Yeah. Ikaw naman, Ren, what's your reaction to that? Husband material ba si Mama Ren?
Honestly, syempre nakakatuwa na na-appreciate ka na nakakasama mo, di ba? Araw-araw, halos magkasama ka ba? At iba yung bibigay mo yung best mo because may tao nakakakita na hindi mo nakikita sa sarili mo. So, very lucky to have.
Marky naman yun, nakakita na hindi mo nakikita. Ano yung nakita ni Marco na hindi mo nakita sa sarili mo?
Hindi, honestly, malaking tulong talaga na lagi niya ako nire-remind na parang huwag ka masyado mag-overthink. Ay, ako kasi, lagi talaga ako sa nag-overthink yung mga bagay-bagay. Parang feeling ko, laging kulang. Laging hindi ko nagagawa yung best ko. Pero lagi siya nandiyan to remind me na parang kasi kaya mo, nagagawa mo well. Malaking bagay yun.
sometimes you needs one person to believe and you can conquer it.
Grabe, na-motivational to ka pala din. Kamusta na, Marco, yung vlog mo, yung mga nawala na,
It's a good problem. You know, that
Gawa ka ng
means
oras.
busy tayo, marami tayong ginagawa. But babalikan ko.
Kaya nga feeling ko dahil hindi mo na nga nagawa yung online mga vlog na motivational to, na ibali mo na kay Ren. Yung mga na-save mong cats and animals.
Oh, I have a new one. So, yung pinaka-recent na na-save ko, first time ko maka-experience na may leukemia. So, may cancer siya.
Yeah.
Sabi ng doctor, if hindi raw magpo-progress yung sickness niya, baka raw mga 1 to 2.5 years na tatay. But we're positive and sobrang lakas ng yun, lakas ng kumain. Laki ng development ng balat niya. So, yeah, we're doing good job.
How do you take care of a cat with cancer?
Well, may mga medication. But the same thing. Just parang kinuwarantine lang natin siya kasi nakakaaway yung cells. Especially kapag naka-endure yung stool mo. So, parang sineparate natin.
Nakakaaway mo din yan ang cat.
Yeah.
Wow. What's the name of your cat?
Nyla. Actually, nakuha ko siya sa set na. Sa may kainlan. So, pagdating ko pa lang doon, so sabi ko babalik ako. After ni Papa, iniwala ko siya. Yeah, parang after 2 days, dinala namin siya discover mo din.
Ang ilang cat mo siya?
15 from rescue.
Cut yung nasa, hindi pa po, lagi niya lang nakikwento.
Have you posted kailangan?
Yeah.
Kinailan sila kinagrab.
Of course.
Grabe. Kahanga-hanga si Marco.
Sabi ko. Kasi, di ba yung iba parang makikita siya na parang strong guy, na parang macho lang, guwapo lang. No. Yung heart niya talaga is very good.
Na-save ka rin ba niya rin? Parang na-save ka rin
Ay,
sa confidence mo sa sarili mo.
Honestly, ang daming pagkakataon na umiiyak ko, ganyan, na parang ganyan, ganyan. Kasi sobrang pag-down na down ako, nag-pressure ako sobrang. Kasi lagi niya ako nakausap. At tawagan niya ako, can I call? Tawagan niya ako just to make me feel okay. As in, malaking bagay talaga siya. Na meron kang tao nakakausap sa mga ganung times. Parang feeling mo hindi mo kaya, feeling mo nanghihina ka na, baka bukas hindi ka makapag-work well. But yeah, malaking bagay na may support system.
Would you say this friendship goes beyond my husband is a mother?
Oh yeah, definitely. Kasi una pa lang namin na alam ko na malayo yung mararating yung friendship. And we're very comfortable with each other. And like what I said earlier, I think this is the most genuine pair of na experience. And it's I'm loving it.
Okay, so just to wrap this, Ren, you've been with Viva matagal na. Marco, 1 year na ba? Or mag 1 year
By
pa?
June.
It's such a fast. I do remember your launch.
Yeah,
It was a
recent
risk.
lang.
It was a risk because I remember parang right now, what pinapinasok Paraiso, do you remember that?
Oh, yeah.
Di ba,
That was my
Charlie.
last project.
Exactly, ABS. Yun nga. Oo, that was, it has a rerun now. So, napanood kita doon. Yeah, it has a rerun now. So, napanood kita doon. Kasi parang kahapon lang na ituro kayo ni Charlie. And then now, wow, you're doing Wattpad. Can you sum up, those moves as an actor? Diba? Because not all, diba, will think na parang, ikaw, like, you did horror, now you're doing Wattpad. You're a drama actor, now you're doing Wattpad is no easy feat.
You know what, like what I would always give advice to people, especially new actors, that you shouldn't be afraid to try things. Kasi, di ba, failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. So even if you fail, you get started. And so, yeah, you just have to embrace the uncertainty. And yun yung nararamdaman ko na parang, saan ba ba? Bakit hindi ako nakakakuha ng roles ngayon na gusto ko? And so, it's such a big move. Siyempre, I was with Avis for 50 years. Diba, pag alam mo, nasanay ka na. Nakakatakot na lumipat ka sa bagong environment. And you have so many questions, paano kasi nagtatawag dito, paano kayo set, ganito rin ba yung same quality? And I'm just so happy, I think, see God make the guide sa akin. Siya yung nag-open ng doors na, go ahead, do your thing.
Nagulat ba kayo sa fandom ng Wattpad? Kasi alam mo ni Rento eh. Pero ikaw, I'm sure, di ba? Parang
Naranasan niya eh.
Oo, na-shock ka ba? Na parang, my God, may ganitong parang opening, gano'n, or ibang, iba yung fandom din, quiet din.
Well, shout out to the shows na una, especially ang Multian section. Kasi sila yung parang naging sumapan ng Viva 1. Diba? And so ito nagsunod-sunod, parang hinatid. Next, it's the mafia boss, kaya nakaka-overwhelming at the same time.
Diba, Miss MJ, lalo na kapag ang taas ng expectations sa mga tao, tapos lumabas yung teaser namin, walang negative comment. Yun yung nakakatakot, kasi parang, paano namin mag-maintain mo?
Yun yung tinanong ko nga kung bakit yung binalance eh. Paano yung binalance? Kasi di ba ganun sila, they even asked the journalist to, some nitty-gritty questions about a certain scene that was in the book. So we're like, oh, okay. That's how we know how intense the fandom is of these shows. So congratulations guys. This is April 11th.
Yes, April 11 of
So one, only on Viva 1.
After na Holy Week. Oo. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Tuloy nyo, so it's